Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Chit Chat. Now, Chit Chat is calling out this lady that she says has been attacking Lady V since April. Now, it's a controversial video, and it's so much to learn from this video as well. So just go ahead, watch the video, come to your own conclusions, and make your comments. We love to hear what you have to say on this matter here. So just tap into it, make your comments, draw your conclusions, and let's get the ball rolling.
Why you do it? Why you have to come on internet, come dress up and go on like you better than the rest of them? You know, the woman tell you. Why you have to come out looking good? But you have liar husband. Hey, hey! You think you're better than anyone else? Go ahead, girl. But you're intelligent. How what is she? Come, Lady V, you may talk. Somebody send call Lady V there tonight. I'm never afraid in the night. She bright. She damn bright. Go over her page. Go support her. Every night I go to her page. Go support her. I don't know what is she. She thinks she has somebody you see? Where you do it? Where you do it? Lady Vagina, you may talk, where you do it? Me agree everything is a woman here say. Me play the woman. Me put on the woman on your phone now. When you bear with me, put on the woman on your. Because me hear a woman attack, I mean I lie yo. The woman attack and the woman, Lady V, me glad the woman talk because a long time I want somebody to tell you about it. You're too blasted enough. Enough, you're enough. Where you do it? Huh? I'm going to look for my big friend over here start talk up the things. I'm going to play the video. Wait there. Wait there. You see who know? Well, let me go find this video here because remember me tell you, I'm glad somebody tell Lady V. Cause a long time somebody will tell you. Come lady. Listen now, V, you. Think you have somebody. Come V.
Report her to the Antigua place here. Don't shoot like a man. She claimed that she better than me. Can Lady V walk in my shoes? Guy.
Wait there. I'm a big friend. This was the trouble Lady V for around April. And Lady V not trouble her. I'm a big friend. This is trouble Lady V. From April. And from April, me notice the lady I come out, you know, and I buy that car scenario, you know. When I send call her, but you know, she turned big friend now because she had come out for Lady V. Yeah, cause Lady V go up on her live and go and she better than people every day. But she had come 10:30 at night, well dressed like puss. What they call it? Dress, what they call it, people? That dress puss. You know what is she? Now there's a big friend now we have, that's her now. She attack the good things, them. Make sure she knows so she come out in a negligee and a lingerie with her two bars here and a picnic in the background and make her know straight through. In a business if the picnic did or not. She in a business about the motherhood in that moment. She just make Lady V know straight through. So we like it. Picnic in the back there, they cry anything, husband about anything. Just cuss her, yeah? 'Yeah? 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 ' Eh? Then my big friend come up on them and step out in a nice clean outfit today and she say, yeah, report the lady V she. Cause we tired of her come at night time instead of a daytime. At night we say, we want day, we don't want night, report her. We tired of her. Why you do it, Lady V? Eh? Hear this now. Big friend talking now.
I am 50 years old and I'm proud. She said I'm old in age. Look at this man royal. Look at this man royal. She's a criminal. Every day she come Dana. Every day she come Dana. And make it look like people is calling up.
First contradiction to the big friend. You can clearly see stupidity seeping out. Right? Because last time I checked, you do the same thing. Big friend, you may have last time I checked, you do the same thing. And if you check Lady V's lives, she has topics that we actually get into. So that's the first lie you told and the first contradiction you done. Because the moment you pick up people because they like Dana or don't like Dana, whatever your theory in your mental might be, it's not your business whether they like Dana or not that Dana. Why you up under them bed like cobweb? Why you up under people's bed? For a woman of your beauty, like you say, you're nice, you're clean, you got on a good wig, you come out separate with a nice light skin. You know, you went darker before, but you're brown up now. So you come out and you do your thing. What is Lady V an interest to you in this stage? I want to speak to this older woman because I cannot mentally understand as a young girl who have enough life to live and enough mistake to make. I'm going to have the pitney them yet. And I look say one day, me go make some big mistake and I can look to some big woman. But when me look around for real good click internet, and then me kind of woman here come out from people for no reason. Lady, are you me at talk? And from long time me see a trouble Lady V and Lady V not answer you. Every day you come out and have a problem with people like in Dana. Dana. We don't call Dana name. We feel like it in and out of season. We don't care. And anybody else will come up and do a great work like Dana, we're going to exalt them. Because what? We not hate pan people like you. Friend, are you me a talk? Come friend, come we talk. Because you come out of nowhere like a pitchery. You fly like the wind. Why you do it? Eh?
Dana's name. She looking faint. Lady V, what kind of work do you do in Antigua? What kind of work do you do in Antigua? She claimed that her man...
I know. What kind of work you doing in your living room? Make you have enough time to sit down for Lady V name. Eh? And that is what gets me with the ignorance of this. Y'all... grown women sit around and is concerned about another woman on a job. It's weird. It's weird. It is weird. If Lady V was in a strip club, it ain't your business. You're a bully and you're typically one of those cliche type of people on the internet that's looking for clout. Because you are called that name to forget clout. Stop it. Why you do it? Be fair now. Be real and be fair. Be real and be fair. You're coming out, they call the people name where you don't know. You look for your attention. Talk up your things, you do your big things. You're hypocrite because you do the same thing the whole we do. And that get me with y'all. Y'all grown women. Y'all do the same thing. And then of course we say, we are hypocrite. So the whole we turn hypocrite together now. Are you hypocrite stay over there? Are she hypocrite stay over there so? The logic is simple. And the mature will get it. If me are hypocrite and you are hypocrite, we are hypocrite together. Hypocrite 1, hypocrite 2, hypocrite 4, hypocrite this, hypocrite that. Alright, where you want? Can you not answer nothing? It sounds to me like a nosy woman wants to, you know, talk about somebody's life for no valid reason. The woman want to come on her life but look good enough for your business. Why would you come on your life looking good? You know, see, you just up, putting on the wig and clothes, breast out the door, necklace, and you go out with the things. You are allowed to do that, but Lady V is not.